Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to share how you can create an animated prototype recording using Figma. Those who use Canva may not be aware of this tool. It is a similar designing tool but is more developer oriented. While Canva is more suitable for pre-designed content, Figma is more suited for designing from scratch. So here, you're seeing the basic tool required for any design to get started. First, we need a frame. For animated video, you will need more than one frame. There are many ways to create animated videos. With this one, we are going to create workflows required for my YouTube channel. You will have to create the flow and then split them into multiple frames like this. So you can change the color of the line as well. So you can also export these frames as images, but you will not be able to export it as a MP4. For that, you will have to use a plugin, which I will show you at the end of this video. So once you have created your frames, you will have to select the prototype tab and then select the frame which you are required to connect with. So you can see circles at the end of these frames. You will have to use these circles to connect one frame with the other. So once you have connected two frames, you will get a dialog box for the trigger of this frame. You may choose any of these events, but for my purpose, I will go with after delay. I will keep the delay to default setting, but I will change the animation type to smart animation. This will help me as a newbie for getting the desired effect. So once you have selected all the required details, you can run the prototype to check the preview. So the first frame is not connected with your other frames. So I will try changing this setting. I'll go to the next tab and it should start my animation. So here it is. I will try adding one more image just for you to see how you can create your workflow and how to create that frame. So sometimes you don't have a straight line, you can go to the transition and change that to 0 degree. It will give you a straight line. So here you have the ruler when you move the image, and also you can bring the image to front. So this will give all your lines a fine end by placing it behind the image. So you can use the ruler to straighten the workflow and to align your images. So I'm changing the color of the lines so that it can be viewed in my export file. So the plugin that I'm going to use is giving a default black background, which may not show all the black lines if they are present in your workflow. So that is the reason I'm changing the color to a more visible form. So you will need different frames for different image flows. You may use a single frame by using masking on your images, but as a newbie to Figma, I think this animation method is far more easier. As I'm not a professional animator, but I need animation for my YouTube channel to showcase the demo of a particular tool or maybe some flowchart. That is why I need Figma. So once I've rectified all the faults that were present earlier, so here you can see I have three images in the workflow. So if any of the lines are not in place, by placing the holder, you can see which line is at the back or at the front. So that is how you can fix your image positions and get a finer flow. So here I have a clean flow. That fault is fixed. So once all your faults are fixed, you can go to the plugins section and download your plugin called as Export to Video. So it's a free plugin. So once you click on the plugin, it is going to export your prototype and create an animated video for you. So when it is loading, you can see export animation button. So it's in the free version. Here I'm exporting it as a GIF because it is free in the free version, but for downloading an MP4, you will have to go for an upgraded version. So now it is downloaded. So I'll just show you what are available in the free and upgraded versions. So if I click on that upgrade, see these marks that are premium marks show that they are available in the upgraded version. So some people will run the full screen mode of the prototype and record using an online recorder, but I find the plugin more cleaner to export my prototype. So once you've downloaded your GIF, you can go to any online converter. So here I'm using GIF to MP4 converter, which is Convert.io, and I will upload the file that I just downloaded from the plugin. And once it gets uploaded, I will have to convert it. It may take a while depending on the size of the file. So these are different converters available. So the file is ready. I'm downloading it. So once I download it, I should have an MP4. So if I run the MP4, it is the same GIF. So as you can see here, it is having a white background when I convert that to an MP4. GIF, normally it is a black background. So if you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Digi Marketer Online. Thank you for watching.